Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create this golden 3D text using Adobe After Effects. No plugins are needed, just the built-in 3D renderer. It's very easy to follow, even if you're a beginner. I've made a step-by-step tutorial so you can learn and create this effect in minutes. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels for the resolution. Then, make sure to switch to the advanced 3D renderer for better depth and lighting control. Next, I created a new solid layer and picked a light gray color. Then, I duplicated the solid. One will be used as the floor and the other as the background. Make sure to enable 3D for both layers. Now, select one of the solid layers and move it to the back to serve as the background. For the other solid, rotate the x-axis to 90 degrees to create the floor. Then, adjust its position and scale to fit the scene properly. Next, create a new text layer. I typed the word 3D and used a big, bold font. I'm using Babas Neue for this example. Then, enable the 3D option for the text layer. I slightly rotated the text on the y-axis to show the 3D extrusion. Select the text layer, go to Geometry Options, and increase the extrusion depth to give it a solid 3D look. You can also change the bevel style. There are 3 options: convex, concave, and angular. Choose the one you like, then increase the bevel depth to see the effect more clearly. Next, we can change the colors of the text, front, bevel, side, and back individually. To do this, click the animate arrow on the text layer and enable Per Character 3D. Next, create a new light layer. I chose a spotlight to add focused lighting to the scene. Then, add another light layer. This time, I used a point light to softly illuminate the entire scene. To give the text a shinier, more polished look, go to the material options. Set specular intensity to 100. And increase the specular shininess for a nice reflective effect. To enhance the lighting and add shadows, create one more light. I used an environment light. Make sure shadow casting is turned on for a more realistic look. And here it is, our beautiful golden 3D text, fully built in Adobe After Effects with no plugins. You can see the clean lighting, realistic shadows, and a smooth, shiny finish. With just a few simple steps, you've created a professional 3D look right inside After Effects.